Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Gonna be doing a quick review of the Saker 4-inch battery powered chainsaw. Here she is. Now I'm a little disappointed it didn't come with any kind of a case or any kind of chain guard or anything like that. Now I watched the video. I knew I was gonna forget his channel name too. I'll put it on the screen. He actually made his own. Sorry brother, forgot your channel name. God, Mark. You know what? Blame this guy. So, you got to get a flip up guard like the rest of them do, but no way to cover up the chain. So, 4-inch saw. Let's get the battery out for it. Now, I definitely charged this battery prior this time. You know, I do try to learn. I did notice though when I was charging the battery, the plug-in, this thing got really hot. Like I went to turn the light was red, indicating that it was charging, but when it's full, it turned green. So I went to unplug it, and I had it plugged into a field strip. Well, I grab it to unplug it, and I go, "Wow, that's really hot!" Like it surprised me how hot it was. So I don't know if I would leave it unattended. You know, I might stay in the room with it. Now, it may have just been a fluke, but yeah, I got pretty toasty. So what I did is I did the unboxing. So I didn't want to bring all the stuff with me. Came with a little screwdriver, and came with a tool for this bolt right here to adjust the chain. I left all that at home. Actually came with some oil too, which I forgot, but we'll just have to do it without the oil. But let's get this sucker out. We'll give it some test cuts and see how she does. Alright, let's get this sucker unboxed so I can charge the battery for tomorrow. Interesting. I noticed this one didn't come with a black case. So I got the instructions, which I'm not going to read. Who reads instructions? Come on. So I got the charging cable. There you go. Pretty standard. Got a few of those now. Got a screwdriver and a adjustment tool. Pretty handy. The battery, 20 volt max. Get that out of there. There you go. Looks like it's got a little indicator here on the back. So a little squirt bottle. Wow, it's that they gave me some oil too to go with it. So, and then the saw. Get rid of all the packaging. There you go. There's the Saker chainsaw. Now I gotta admit, it feels smaller than the other ones I have. Than another one I have, which name I won't mention. Here are stupid warnings. So let's. Alright, well, 4-inch blade, 10 centimeter. Got the knuckle guard here, the button, and then the trigger, so you gotta push them both. Let's get this thing out in the woods. Oh, get rid of this other. Don't need no instructions. I like it how it has a lanyard too, which didn't come on the other saws. That way, if you're working, like up on, if you're limbing, if you're pulling limbs off, you can, when you drop it, it won't go as far. I think it's a nice touch. Although I have big hands, so it's kind of a fit. Let's see if this. So fully charged. Now it shows full charge, but I'm still gonna plug it in and make sure it's fully charged. So let's get to cutting. Alright, perfect. Found a dead limb right here. Hopefully I can drag it out. Okay. She's getting hung up, so I'm about to cut a few limbs. This would be perfect time for the saw. All right. There we go. Let's see if I can get this out. Yeah, that's better. This picnic table will be a perfect place to do this cutting. I'm actually feeling some droplets hitting me, so I don't have a lot of time to mess around. Make sure you guys can see. Yeah. Got pretty nice. It's about decent firewood. Not too bad. Alright, well, that was the Saker 4-inch battery-powered chainsaw. You know, it always surprises me a little bit by just how well they work. Yeah. So, oh, I forgot about the battery indicator on the back. So, you know, still full charge. 3 bars. Nice. I didn't use it that much. I actually want to get out in the woods and do a, hopefully next week, I can get out, do a fire, because I think fire bans will be lifted. Go down, cut some fuel, get a fire going. Maybe do a bannock, because I've been craving bannock. Even though I already did one, but you know, whatever. Yeah, just give this saw a real good pace. Now, someone might ask, well, is the battery compatible with the other saws you have? And the answer is no. And I'll show you. Well, right now. I'll have to do this at home, so, because I don't have the other saws with me. But I'll cut to home and I'll show you and I'll come back. Okay. So, scooch over. As you can see, how much wider this base is versus this base. In fact, I've got a tape measure. Hang on. Okay. Trying to get these centered. So this one here is, as you can see, it's about 1.5 inches versus almost 2.5 inches. So, and even the bases are different. This is a Saker, and this is the other one. You can see how much wider it is. So. All right, so there you go. So as you saw, it's this base and port are much smaller. So I know they have some with the 2 batteries. So you just have to find the set you want. You know, depending how much you use it. I mean, you may only need 1 battery. So depending how much work you're doing. But I mean, I've cut enough firewood for a day trip with just 1 battery and had more than enough saw left to go. So I got people walking up the trail behind me, so it's distracting me going, Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Links will be in the description. Thank you, Saker, for sending it to me. And we'll catch you next one. Peace out.